Having loved his own who are in the world, he loved them to the end. He loved them to the end. I think there are probably some of us listening to this morning that there's really only one thing that you need to hear all morning long. The disciple of Jesus Christ is loved from now on. From now on. You're a child of God. And you are loved from now. He loved those of his own that were here in the world. And he loved them to the end. You are loved by your Creator. You are loved by the one who knows your weaknesses and your failures better than you do. You are loved by the one who sees your sin more clearly than you ever will. And you are loved from now on.